Hey guys, it's Cara, welcome back to the Rampetina channel. Today I have my 1k yarn giveaway, which I'm so excited about. Also, Happy New Year. I've got a few updates. Number one, I am wearing a wig. I got this today and I was so excited and I am literally in love with it. So that's why I'm wearing it in this video. I think it really looks nice. Anyway, it's synthetic hair by the way, so I can't believe how not shiny and real it looks. Anyway, this is nothing to do with today's video, but I did want to just mention it because I've been really getting into wigs and I really want to do like a wig collection video. So if you'd like to see that, please let me know. But yeah, I just love wigs. Anyway, that's not anything to do with today's video, but it's just a bit of fun. Also, I got a mic, so hopefully the audio quality is a lot better now. I'm still using my phone to record, but this will definitely be helpful for my voiceovers and that sort of thing. So yes, the audio quality should be a lot better now. So let's start by showing you the yarn that's going in the yarn giveaway, and then I'll explain all the rules and all of that afterwards. So first off, we've got a 5-pack of this nice blue DK yarn. You get 5 50-gram balls, and it's called Premier 50-gram Baby DK. So it's a really nice blue colour. 5 of those, and then I got 2 packs of these So Crafty Knit and Purl from Aldi. 2 of these big packs. So first of all, you've got the DK yarn 10-pack accent brights. So you get 50-gram balls in 5 colours, so you get 2 of each, so 100 grams of each colour, and you've got this nice, I'll show it like this, this nice like royal blue colour, nice turquoise tealy colour, really neon kind of like green, like lime green colour, this really neon orange colour, reminds me of like a highlighter, and then a nice bright red, so 1 of those. And then the earth tones, which is super nice. I love these type of colours. Yeah, it's just called the earth tones, and you've got a nice like what's the word, muted kind of teal colour, nice aubergine purple, mustard, a kind of, ooh, it's kind of similar to my jumper I guess, or not really, but kind of a orangey brown, and then a blood orange, but like muted. So yeah, super nice, very autumn appropriate, but we're no longer in autumn, like we're far from autumn. But yeah, so super nice. It'd be really nice to make some really colourful granny squares with that. So that's everything that will be going in the giveaway. So let's talk about rules or whatever. So it'll be starting today, the 1st of January 2021, and the giveaway will be closed next Friday, the 8th of January at 12 PM, that's UK time. So yes, I will be announcing the winner next week. Maybe I'll do another video just showing you like how I'm selecting the winner and all of that. This is my first YouTube giveaway, so it might, I'm a bit like, oh, I don't really know, but I've done giveaways on Instagram, so I kind of know what I'm doing, but we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it all goes smoothly, hopefully it does. So yeah, I'll be announcing the winner next week. I have my little notes here. So to enter, you need to subscribe to the Rampetina channel, of course. Please like this video, and then basically I really want to get to know you guys. So obviously some of you have your usernames and might not have your name in your username, but obviously if you don't want to share your name, that's fine. But basically if you could comment your name, obviously if you want to share your name, and then a fun fact about you, so I get to know you guys a bit better. So that will be your entry to the giveaway. Everyone, if you could just comment once, that will be your entry. But I'll start. So my fun fact is that I've started collecting board games, and my favourite one so far is probably Seven Wonders Duel. So yeah, getting a bit nerdy with my board games, but they're so much fun. So yeah, just comment down below your name if you want to share it, and a fun fact about you. It could be about anything, non-crochet related, crochet related maybe, when you started crocheting, how long you've been crocheting for, all that, you know, just a fun fact about yourself. All the rules and description and everything to do with that will be all in the description box down below, all the info. But yeah, so is that everything I need to mention? I think it is. But yeah, super excited, finally doing my 1k yarn giveaway. But yeah, good luck to everyone. I think this is how it works. So I will announce the winner in a week, and if you could DM me on Instagram at Rambutina, then we can talk about how I can send it to you. I think that's how it works. We'll do it like that, because that's how I did it with the Instagram giveaway. So yeah, that's it for today's video, I guess. Good luck everyone. I will see you in the next one. Bye.